How to revoke third-party access to your Google Pay account. In order to revoke third-party access to your Google Pay account, you have to go to security section. So first thing first, you want to go to Google account. You could open any Google account or services, then tap the profile initials from the top of the page. You then need to go to account settings, or just want to tap on the gear icon. As you do this here, you just want to make sure to go to third-party apps with account access. You could go to privacy and safety first of all and look for these options available here. If you cannot find one, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap the profile initials once again. You then want to tap on to manage your Google account. As you've done this, you then need to go ahead and select third-party connections. Here it is. Once you do this or tap onto this, find an app or a service you want to disconnect and tap on remove. Like this, you could just go ahead and tap open this up and then select remove or delete, and that's how you can revoke third-party access to your Google Pay app. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.